There should be at least 3 to 4 MLAs, but we don't have any political representation here. So we are asking those political parties, what is your plan for the Muslim community? And we hope that Muslim community should not be an easy commodity that anyone will come and ask support and the Muslim community will give the support. The Muslim community has a developmental agenda. We won't be an emotional community. We will be a community that will talk about development, education, representation. Usually what we see that Muslim community always have a single agenda, that is defeat BJP. But when other secular parties come and ask for a vote, Muslim community should have a specific demand, specific agenda that why should we support you. In Goa, Muslim community is a very sizable community, and we don't find a agenda of the Muslims in this political party. So we are asking them, what do you have for the Muslim community, which is basically an economically, socially and politically backward community in India.
You have come to Goa since you are a General Secretary of Popular Front of India. Are you all trying to field, or are you all trying to field candidates here? What is their agenda coming to Goa?
Popular Front of India is not a political party, so we won't be contesting elections, but we have a politics. We have a political strategy anywhere around India whenever there is any election. So we basically come and mobilize the Muslim community basically, and the other secular communities also, that there needs to be a political agenda. So in Goa, our visit was basically to understand the political scenario of Goa, what is happening here. So we have been meeting different community leaders. So today this program was also of community leaders. So our Goa state committee had invited many people who are very active in the political landscape of Goa, and we had a discussion with them that what should be the strategy, what should be the agenda of the Muslim community, because usually what we see that Muslim community always have a single agenda, that is defeat BJP. But when other secular parties come and ask for a vote, Muslim community should have a specific demand, specific agenda that why should we support you. So we felt that currently the Goan Muslims don't have that agenda with them. So we are planning a strategy on what should be the agenda or approach and the stand of Muslims in Goa, and how the Muslim community should work with other communities so that a very good secular form of government shall come in Goa in future. We actually had two types of programs. So today we called grassroots level leaders, but with top leaders we were having one-to-one meetings that were personal meetings in which we were interacting with some prominent leaders from Muslim community and other communities also, even the secular leaders, and that will continue. So today this program was basically with the people, those community leaders who have an influence on the Muslim community, because each and every Muslim mohalla will have a community leader who has some influence. So today we called them, asked for their opinion about what should be the stand, and we got a lot of inputs, and that will really help us to devise our strategy for the upcoming elections.
Have you all met any political party leaders or leaders of?
Currently, many political party leaders are approaching our state leaders, and our state leaders are also in discussion with various political leaders. So, but we have not committed for any stand yet, because we want to know what is the strategy of those political parties, because each political party come and say the same thing. We don't see anything new in that. In Goa, Muslim community is a very sizable community, and we don't find a agenda of the Muslims in this political party. So we are asking them, what do you have for the Muslim community, which is basically an economically, socially and politically backward community in India.